Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at meme coins by volume. Something special. Normally we do it by market cap, but today we're going to do it by volume. So let's get straight into it. We didn't do Shiba Inu, we did Dogecoin. We actually did Floki as well on Tuesday. This one was on Monday. So we're going to continue with Shiba Inu, PEPE, Doge Elon Mars, Harry Potter Obama Sonic 10 Inu, Vault Inu, Turbo, ArbDoge AI, Mockcoin, WOJAK, and then we'll end it with Bad Idea AI at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Shiba Inu! Here we are for Shiba Inu. Okay, so Shiba Inu has already taken out this mini mountain, right? Big mountain 1, big mountain 2, mini. Zoom, we zip down. After that, boom, we zip back up. So this means that, yeah, the whole thing is gone. It's gone. So we're gonna assume that Shiba Inu could be in a potential reversal, right? It could be reversing, but the thing is that we're already moving into overbought territory here on RSI. So I don't think it's a good idea to be buying things when they're overbought. I mean, just look back at history, right? The last time we were overbought, we were here, right? And another time when we were overbought was also here as well. Is this a good idea to be buying coins when it's overbought, right? Again, the last time we were overbought was here. Right. Again, when we were overbought, it was here. Is it a good idea to be buying coins at this area? No, right? Yeah, again, this is overbought. Do you think it's a good idea to be... I'm not saying it can't do this, right? I'm just saying, is it a good idea to be buying Shiba Inu at these prices? Yeah, it's not right. It is not, boys and girls. So you need to wait for proper consolidation first. We don't see it yet. So yeah, again, we're just going to consider this as largely invalidated. So yeah, there you go. There you freaking go. We're going to have to wait for things to calm down first before doing anything, right? If we were to count waves, I would consider this as a 1, 2. We're in the midst of a 3, 4. Again, we could zip up for a 5, right? But we will be staying in an overbought manner, right? But if you look at the RSI, yeah, I don't think it's a good idea to be buying things when they are overbought, right? So yeah, there you go. There you freaking go. PEPE USDT. Here we are for PEPE. We'll look at it on Gate. So for PEPE, we're kind of in the middle of nowhere. Again, you can argue that this was something like a ABCDE kind of a chart pattern. Sure, we could be breaking out for PEPE, but it's just not really looking that good. I mean, if we did something like this, right? I mean, if this rally was a strong rally, right, that rose over here, and then we corrected, right, with this. If this was this, right, we corrected, then yeah, this would be very nice, very nice. But the rally for B was very weak. So this whole thing could be an A, B, C, something like that. 3-wave move down for PEPE. Something like this could happen. So, because this is also a potential mountain range for PEPE, right? Unless, of course, if you do something like this, right? And this whole thing could be an ascending triangle, right? Value 1, value 2, we zip higher. Absolutely possible, but I don't really like this. And we are not properly consolidating yet. So we need to see, the rally coming first. We want to see an established resistance line, right? 3 touches if possible. 3rd touch here. Okay, you can consider this as 2 touches, but I would prefer to see another rally retrace. Then yes, this would be a very good, nice, high quality tradable chart pattern. But until that happens, we're not going to be rushing into anything for PEPE. Doge Elon Mars, Elon against USDT. Here we are for Elon. Yeah, Elon keeps dropping. We still have a target over here at 12,000, We're at 15,000, 14,000, sub 15,000. So more downsides to be expected for Elon, right? Mountains, zip down. Mountains, zip down. Mountains, zip down, right? To be honest, even this is a mountain by itself, right? So more likely than not, a zip lower for Elon towards 12,000. I think we'll probably breach it into sub 10,000 though. 10,000 is a very round number. So yeah, I still think there's more downside for Elon. So be very careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Elon. Where are we? We are here. Floki. Okay. We already did Floki on Tuesday. Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic. Okay, let's look at Harry Potter. Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic 10 Alright, let's look at it on DEX Tools. Yeah, so this was a very nice squeeze that came, right? Very nice. A, B, C, D, E, zip up. But if you were to ask me to count the waves for Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic 10 Inu, okay, let me just get it right. Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic 10 Inu, that's correct. If I were to count the waves, this would be, okay, this would be a 1. Okay, we just ignore this one, right? This is a 1. This whole thing is a 2. Up for a 3, down for a 4. This holding could be a ending fifth wave diagonal, right? Ending fifth wave diagonals usually end towards the downside. More likely than not, this is a top reversal. So potentially we could be heading back towards 2 cents or even 1 cent though, sub 1 cent. So yeah, be very careful when you see something like this, right? Higher high, higher high, higher high. Clusters of higher highs. And you see a potential shooting star. It's not confirmed yet, but a potential shooting star, which means that Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic 10 Inu could be reversing back down, right? Could be. So yeah, when you see volume, you want to see volatility, right? You want volatility. When you see volume, you don't want to see things slowing down when there's volume, right? This is very likely, yeah, a strong move, right? This is not what you call a strong move, right? This could actually be distribution by the whales of Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic 10, you know, right? People who either bought, I don't know, here, or the creators, right? Yeah, so when you see high volume and you see things looking very toppy, be very careful, right? Be very careful. Moving on will be Volt Inu. Let's look at Volt Inu. Can we look at it here? Volt USDT. We look at it on Gate. Gate's shitcoin central. Heading for Volt. Yeah, no. Again, Volt. Mountain ranges. Mountains. 1, 2, 3. Something like a descending triangle. Zip down. See? Doesn't really look that good to me. Yeah, I feel like that could be more downside. But one thing good is that the volume is really rising, right? And you must always remember, for every seller, there's always a buyer. So very likely the whales have started accumulation. So we might start to go on a range for Volt Inu, but it's we're still in a bearish trend though. So be very careful about rushing to into a trade for Volt Inu, right? It's just not really that clear. Turbo! Okay, Turbo is the coin created by Red Mankind. Red Mankind is this YouTuber, in case you're not aware. Turbo Red Mankind. He created this coin all purely on AI. See how I used AI to make a 20 million market cap meme coin 3 months ago. So when I saw this video, I was like, it feels a bit touching, and I feel like, okay, maybe I you feel like you want to support this person, right? And yeah, but anyway, you should check out this video though if you haven't yet. Red Mankind, how I use AI to make a 20 million meme coin. Yeah, 200,000 views. So yeah, you can also create your own meme coin if you want with the help of AI. But anyway, this is his coin. Let's look at it here. We have more information for Turbo. The boys and I were aware of it, but yeah, it's like there's just nothing for us to work with, right? There's just no clear high quality tradable chart patterns. But anyway, here we are for Turbo. Any clear signs of a reversal? No. Could we head lower? Of course. Nothing for us to work with. There's just nothing for us to work with, right? Could we just start reversing? Of course, we could just start reversing from here. But no clear tradable chart patterns yet, right? And the volume has already, no whale has come in to play, right? To start accumulating. Usually, when you see high volume, it means the whales are accumulating, right? And then, it's just eventually, it's only a matter of time before you see the whales push the price back up, right? But for Turbo, yeah, there's just nothing much happening yet. And the technicals is just not really that good. So we're going to have the next Turbo. ArbDoge AI. Let's look at AIDOGE. AIDOGE is on Arbitrum. Where are we? This is AIDOGE. Any clear signs of no. We're in a downwards trend. If you look at the 4 hours, yeah, we're under the skinny pink line. It's not good. Down. Can you see these mountain ranges? Right, something like not exactly a channel, but yeah, it's a consolidation, right? Usually if the preceding trend is bearish, the subsequent trend will be bearish as well. More likely than not, more likely than not, of course. Again, something like a mountain range over here, something like a head and shoulders, we zip down, right? Again, even on the smaller time frames, it's very clear support line that's been tested, zip down. So you see this candlestick, it's a zip down, right? Small time frames, you'll be able to spot rising channels. Yeah, it's just very poor technicals for AIDOGE, right? We're severely oversold, but just because we're oversold doesn't mean we can't stay in an oversold state. We can stay oversold longer than you can take it. Again, just like Turbo, there's just no volume. Volume has just dried out, right? So yeah, when you see volume, you want to see things like this happening, right? When you see volume, you want to see things like this happening, right? But no volume, so we gotta be patient. We gotta wait for the technicals to look better first, right? Mog coin. Let's look at Mog coin. Let's look at it here. Mog coin. Anything for Mog? Yeah, nope. But one thing I like about Mog is that if you look carefully, right? If you look very carefully, this is a head and shoulders. Can you see this? It was left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We should have zipped down, right? But we didn't zip down. What happened? We zipped up instead. So it's like, so this is still displaying strength, which means that potentially more upside to come for Mog coin. But is this tradable for us? Nope. Doesn't look tradable to me. You can argue that this could be an inverse head and shoulders of sorts. We could zip higher, right? 0.075. I don't know how much higher it's going to go. But again, it's not something that we kind of like to see, right? We want to see proper consolidations first before a nice break happens. But we just don't see it yet, right? And this is like higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. And then this is like lower lows. You can argue that it's also a lower high, it's like a house, like a roof. But no, technicals is just quite poor for Mog, so nothing much for us. WOJAK. If you look at WOJAK, anything for WOJAK? WOJAK coin. Yeah, this is WOJAK for you. Any clear signs of a reversal? No. No, there's nothing. It looks a lot like Turbo though. And this could be a descending triangle. A gigantic one, right? Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 2. Could still be spilling towards the downside, right? There could be a deep down for WOJAK. Any clear signs of a reversal? No. I still think there's more downside potentially for WOJAK, right? Again, volume has disappeared. So be careful when you don't see volume. You want to see volume at the bottom, right? You don't want to see a lack of volume. This means that the whales are not participating in WOJAK yet. Eventually, I think, but not at the moment. Not for WOJAK. Poor technicals. Still very poor technicals. Bad AI. Let's look at bad AI. Bad idea AI. All right. Here we are for bad idea. Aha. Look at this. Can you count? Can you count the waves? Right. Where is my brush? With this whole thing, okay, let's just count it from here. You can also count it from here if you want, but let's just count it from here. If this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, this is a 4, this is a 5. We're very close to the end. And you can see that the volatility of the move is decreasing. Okay, let me just do this. From the very bottom to the very top. How many percent was this? 300. It's a 300x, right? 31,000. Look at this. 3,000. 30,000? 3,000? Is this 300? Bottom to top. 400. It keeps getting shorter and shorter and shorter. Which means that the end is not too far away. Right? And you don't want to see volume like this. Right? Close to the top. Highest volume ever. At the top. Close to the top. Right? Ladies and gentlemen, this is distribution. Bad idea. It's a bad idea, to be honest, to make a move at this point of time. Right? Very bad idea. I think distribution is happening here. Right? Nope, this is not good. I think the whales are selling over here. So you need to be very, very careful about rushing into a trade for bad idea AI. I just don't see it yet. So at this point of time, be very, very careful about rushing into a trade too soon for bad idea AI. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's meme coins by market cap. Sorry, by volume technical analysis. Not much for us to work with. We have to wait for better technicals first. So usually when it comes to trading, you have there are 3 states, right? a state of buying, a state of selling, or a state of doing nothing, preserving your capital. These are 3 active decisions that you have to take. So at this point of time, for meme coins, I would, for what we have gone through, right, I would not be doing anything. Not at this point of time. Maybe eventually things might improve, but not at this point of time. So yeah, there you go. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!